Welcome back to problem of the circle. We have need to do PQR with the midpoint of side of BC. AB is given of triangle ABC. AD perpendicular BC. Prove that PDQ are cyclic quadrilateral. First of all, draw triangle. That is P, B, C, Q, A, and R. The midpoint of BC is P, SCAQ, and AB is R, and AD perpendicular to BC. Okay, join this. Given that P, Q, R midpoints are of triangle, of side of triangle, sides of triangle ABC. I show you figure AD perpendicular to BC. To prove, we have need to prove the P, D, Q are cyclic. Lateral. Okay? Prove. In triangle ABC, angle D equal to 90. Region AD perpendicular to BC. Okay? Then this is 90. And AC is the hypotenuse. AC is and Q is midpoint of it. We know that for example we can see triangle A, D, C, Q. This equal to this because Q is the midpoint and draw perpendicular. We can prove that this equal to this common, that is 90, that is 90. Triangular congruent. We can say this equal to this. So it come in right triangle. In right triangle, midpoint of is equidistant from its vertex. Okay, then we can say AQ equal to QD equal to QC. Why? This is the midpoint. ये midpoint. तो AD DQ QC के equal होगा. और ये D है, इसके थ्री वर्टेक्स हैं A, D, C. और ये midpoint of the hypotenuse. Then Q is must be equal to AQ, QD and QC are equal. So we can say in triangle DQC, DQ equal to QC. D equal to QC. This is the angle 1, this is the angle C, then angle 1 equal to angle C, equal side of triangle, opposite angles are equal. Okay, the 1 equal to angle C. Now join. Okay, again this is the equation 1. Again in triangle ABC, PQR, midpoint, the join it is parallel to BC. RQ is midpoints of ABAC, implied that QR parallel to BC, okay, and QR equal to half of BC. Why? Midpoint third. If the line segment joining to midpoint of the side of triangle is always parallel to third side and half of it, that can be write P the midpoint, then BP equal to PC. Implied that QR parallel to BC, we can say QR parallel to CP. Same line, that is same line segment, and we observe that QR equal to QR equal to PC. Okay, join it. We can say PCQR parallelogram. In a parallelogram, we study that the line segment joining 2 points are if a quadrilateral have one side parallel to opposite side and equal, then it is a parallelogram. So this equal to this and this parallel to this implies that PCQR parallelogram. Okay, then in parallelogram we also observe that angle opposites are equal. Okay, parallelogram is the property opposite angle of parallelogram is equal. So we can say C equal to this angle. Okay, suppose that is 2, that is 90. Why? AD perpendicular 90. Then angle 1, angle 2, angle 90 equal to 180. Linear pair. You can say BC is a straight line. Okay. Now beta, from one angle 1 equal to angle C, at the place of 1 we can put C, angle 2 plus angle 90, 2 plus 90 is QDP equal to 180 from equation 1. Okay, now C can be right angle PRQ. This is question 2. At the place of C, put PRQ plus angle QDP equal to 180. That is opposite angles are quadrilateral. Of sum of angle of quadrilateral is 180, then it is a cyclic. So we can say PDQR is cyclic quadrilateral, hence proved. Now again see picture. ADC. AD perpendicular to BC, that means ADC is 90. 1 and 290. Okay. Then it is a right triangle. AD is a right triangle. In right triangle, the midpoint of the hypotenuse is equidistant from their vertex. Then AD, QA, QC, and QD are equal. So this equal to this. So we can say angle 1 equal to angle C in first case. Also we know that the line joining midpoint of the side of the triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. Then QR parallel to BC and QR equal to half of BC. P the midpoint to half of BC is BP or BC because P the midpoint. We can write this. Okay. From that observe that QR parallel to BC also because QR parallel to BC. Then QR parallel to BC and QR equal to PC also. Here we prove. We know that in a quadrilateral, one opposite side parallel equal, then it is a parallelogram. Therefore, PCQR parallelogram. In parallelogram, we know that opposite angles are equal. Then angle C equal to angle R, that angle PRQ. Now here beta, angle 1, angle 2, angle 90 equal to 180. Okay, this is the line, straight line. 1 can be right, angle C, from 1 we write C. 2 and 90, 2 and 90, that is QDP, we write QDP. Also from second, C equal to PRQ. At the place of C, PRQ or QDP unity, we observe that opposite angle of quadrilateral is 180. That is the property of cyclic quadrilateral. All the vertices are lying on circle. Or second is sum of the opposite angle of quadrilateral is 180. So behalf of it, we can say PDQR is a cyclic quadrilateral. Thank you.